Rice is a truly versatile item, served as either a side dish or as part of other recipes, from casseroles to desserts. Rice is a common ingredient of many ethnic dishes that can spice up your menu selections. Rice is commonly cooked on the stove or in a rice cooker, but we'll look at a simple way to prepare rice pilaf in a steamer that will free up room on your stovetop. Gather the mise en place and have pots ready to boil water, steam table pans for cooking, and storage containers if you're holding the rice. If you plan to add additional ingredients, these should all be pre-cut and measured. Additional ingredients could include sautéed onions, garlic, celery, carrots, or mushrooms. Add no more than 3 cups of extra ingredients for each pound of rice, or it will affect the way the rice cooks. This brown rice pilaf uses diced onions and ground white or black pepper. Measure or weigh the amount of rice needed for the recipe and place it into a steam table pan. Use no more than 3 pounds of rice per pan. In a separate pot, bring the appropriate amount of water to a full boil. For each pound of rice, use 1 quart of water or stock. Here, we're using chicken stock. If your recipe has additional ingredients, like a rice pilaf, add them to the liquid at this point. Carefully pour or ladle the liquid over the rice in the pan and cover tightly with aluminum foil or a tight-fitting lid. You can cook this in the steamer or a conventional oven. Cooking times will vary depending on the type of rice and the additional ingredients. For standard white rice in a compartment steamer, you would use 5 pounds of pressure and cook for 25 to 30 minutes. In a conventional oven, you would cook the rice at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. When the rice is done, remove the pan from the oven or steamer and let it remain covered for 5 to 10 minutes. Then fluff the rice with a fork before serving. Follow the recipe's critical control point guidelines to ensure that the rice is held at the proper temperature on the line.